We'll just have a little short note here about discounts. First of all, you probably know that a discount is a reduction. Often discounts are offered to encourage people to buy things. And we'll just take a little example. And once again, we'll have a look at this example. A pair of jeans normally cost €50. During a sale, there's a 20% discount. What do they cost in the sale? And we can see that the cost is €50. The discount, now the discount is a percentage of the cost, so it's 20% of €50. And 20% of €50 is €10. So that means that they now cost the €50 minus the 10% discount, in other words, €40. So they cost €40 in the sale. And maybe you might have thought of a different way of doing this. I'm going to ask you to do one last one of these questions, and you can do it either the way I've done it or a different way, but please show your calculations. In this question, a jacket normally costs €180. During a sale, there's a discount of 30%. So how much does the jacket cost in the sale? Okay, so would you just stop the video now, please? Copy down this example and just make sure you show all your calculations. Okay.